defining specifically in your equations of y equals a sine bx and y equals a cosine bx. Your a is your amplitude, but a is the absolute value of your amplitude, okay? So your amplitude is that vertical stretch, so it's going to give your points higher or lower. Now you may see, a negative times that. That's why the absolute value is there. The negative will just tell us eventually when we do have negative values. But for now, what we're looking at is just affecting that amplitude. It's stretching it. Think about, pulling, it's kind of a gross, but pulling a piece of gum up and down, you're stretching it, and then we push it back together, you're shrinking it. I'm doing this with my hands like you guys can see me, but you can't. So you're stretching and shrinking up and down, whereas the period is side to side, so your hands are in front of you and you're left and right rather than up and down, and you're pulling and you're shrinking condensed. So your period for your graph is found by 2 pi over b. So you must look at the b values in both of your equations and do 2 pi over that value, say 4, and your period for this would be pi over 2, say that was the case. So period is 2 pi over, it says absolute value of b. Most of the time you just look at the positive form of it. So very, very important, period is 2 pi over b. Amplitude, amplitude is the absolute value of a. So hold on to those. I know there's a lot of little concepts going on, but it's going to help us in the end when we get to graphing.